Hey, hello everyone. Good morning and good evening. I am Ram, product manager Tagmate, and I am presenting you the March month feature release. So, let's start with. So, in today's agenda, we are going to show you some feature release, and of course, the demo part, and of course, the exclusive offer for you. So the first is the bulk migration UATX to GA4. This feature is demanded from many of you, many of the users, many of the digital agencies, right? So in just a few clicks, or just a one click, you can, migrate UATX into GA4 tags in just split seconds. Let's say, for example, 40 tags migrated in just 20 seconds, no matter the tags are complex or easy. Okay, so the benefits are the saving the time, ensure the accurate data, and of course the no loss of the data. So it's a very simple. Basically, in a Tagmate, you have to select the UA to GA for migration and just go to dashboard and check whether you want to migrate standard event tags, or let's say custom event tags, or let's say e-commerce tags, and just click migrate. That's it. The second thing is we are coming with more form submission templates, which is Marketo, which is of course Adobe Form, HubSpot, and Gravity Forms. Again, these form templates were requested from the many of you, many of the digital agencies, and of course, it's all about no code setup. So benefits are track the performance and measure the conversion of forms, the attribute form submission to specific campaigns, channels, and sources. How it works? It's very simple again. Just sign in to Tagmat, go to the form templates, select the form you wanted to track, and just a few steps, and bingo. That's it. So, this is about the HubSpot and the Gravity. So, I will show you, no worries. And then third is the edit template fields. So now gone are the days where you commit a mistake, you entered a wrong trigger condition, okay, and your data is not coming, and you wanted to edit that tag, right? So we bring this feature to ease your operation. So now you can save time by repurposing existing template, edit, modify existing templates to build effectiveness and efficiency of GA4 projects, and of course, to reduce the risk of errors. How it works? Very simple. Choose a template which you have published, which you have pushed from the Tagmate. Just open it, and these are the few of the editable fields. Let's say, for example, this is a thank you page form. You can always edit the form name and the triggering condition. And here it is the change. When you change something, it reflects automatically into your Google Tag Manager workspace. So let's go in a demo. Let's check the real action, right? So first, the bulk migration part. So many of you know this is the bulk migration screen where I connected the GTM account, and I connected with the workspace in which I have so many UA tags and I want to migrate. Okay, so on this particular workspace, I have some standard event tags as well as the custom event tags with the custom dimensions and metrics, right? So let me just explore the custom event tags, and it is actually fetching in real time, and hence it would take some time. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is as per the UA properties. There are different UA properties, and hence these are the list directly coming from my this workspace, right? So if I can, I want to migrate the single tag, then I can, or I can choose and just click migrate. This is the feature. If I click here, and it will ask me to configure GA account to map the custom dimension and metrics like this way. So let's say, for example, I am just fetching my analytics account and some property of UA, and here we go. Start migration, and it started, and it's completely automated, and it will take some time. Yeah, bingo. So within just you can say 3 or 4 seconds, we are good to go. And as you can see, the status is reflecting and all are migrated in just single click, right? So this is about the bulk migration, a simple click, and you can migrate so many UA tags to GA4 tags, right? And let me show you the forms, right? So I'm just in my GA4 implementation. I connected a GTM account. I already created a form tracking, and this is my container, okay? And this is my workspace. And let's say, for example, I want to track form submission of Gravity form, or let's say HubSpot form, or let's say Marketer form. So I click on a form. So as you can see, these are the new forms, the HubSpot, the Gravity, and the Marketer. So let me select the HubSpot form, and it's very simple. The first step is asking me to push custom HTML to my container. Okay, so it would take some time because of the communication between the Tagmate and your workspace. So custom HTML template has been successfully pushed, and in the next step, let's say my HubSpot form name, it's contact us. Okay, and this is required the form ID. So here you require to select you proper condition, and let's say a particular value of that form ID. So if I don't know about how to get this form ID, so we provided a method, and in a simple instruction you can get a form ID, and we have provided two methods basically. Okay, for the sake of this demo purpose, I am just writing a very random ID over here, and just click on next. And again, this is the triggering condition. Let's say, for example, my form is located on my this web page, and that's it. If I click on push to GTM, and the process has been started, and now Tagmate creates required tags, triggers, events, and so many other things, right? And within the few seconds, right? So in this particular container and this particular workspace, I'm going to check. So this is the work, the container, and this is the workspace. I'm just refreshing a bit, and I'm going to tags, and there we go. So here, the required configuration of tags is created. The required custom event has been created automatically with this particular triggering conditions. Okay, everything is done via a few clicks only, right? So let me go back to my tag mat, and let's say I want to, you know, track another form, right? So as you can see, the HubSpot form has been pushed one time, and you can push multiple times, which is a feature we have in the TechMat. And let's say I want to track marketer form on my website. I'm just selecting it. And again, and here the thing, if you want to change your data stream, for example, if you want to track marketer form in another data stream of the GA4, then you can of course change from here. Okay, so here is a list of the configuration tag, and you can add your data stream measurement ID over here, and Tagmate will create a configuration tag automatically. Okay, so the process is same. The first step, push the custom HTML to GTM, and it would take some time, as I mentioned, because of the communication between Tagmat and your container. Bingo. So we are moving to the second step, and in marketer form, we provide some method, okay, in which you can track on different event like form initialization, form submit, and form success. So let me just, for the demo's purpose, I'm just selecting all three, and let's say this is a required field to enter the form name, and let's say a form ID. So where can I find this? Again, we provide a simple distinction to get the form ID via this way. So these are the methods. Okay. So I'm just putting random number over here and click next. So in a final step, which is very easy again, let's say this is my web page on which I have a marketer form. That's it. So within just minute, your tags for marketer form will be ready. So click on push to GTM, and again it would take some time, a few seconds, because of the communication between the tagmat and your GTM container. So let me check again with this particular container and this particular default workspace. So I'm going here in my container and I'm just refreshing it. And let's see whether it's created. All right. So marketer form tag has been created automatically. Okay. And with this configuration and with this triggering condition and with this custom event. All right. So it's done, right? So let me go back to the my tagbat and let me show you the edit part. So let's say I want to edit, I mistakenly put the wrong triggering condition to it, so I'm editing it. So here HTML, no need to edit. Okay, form detail, for example, it was a wrong. Okay, there was a contact as one, and let's say I entered the wrong ID. Let's say I'm again write a correct ID. Let's say page URLs was wrong, and I'm again push to GTM. That's it. It would take some time because Tagmat is communicating with the GTM container, and within few seconds, you can have a edit. There we go. So here it's edited because of the few seconds. Okay, and this is how edit works. Okay, so you can edit. For example, I'm editing and it show me that this is you can only edit the template push after the March 13 to get your template revised. Please send request to our team. Even if you can't edit, then we can give you that support of editing your template. Okay, so this is about the feature. and it is very easy, as you can see. Even if you find difficulties, then we are happy to help you from our support. We are always be there for you. All right, and let me go back just to the, and this is about the very short demo. And of course, this is we are offering a 30% discount on the Tagman monthly plan. Email us on the hello@tagman.app to avail the offer. And we are bringing the white label of the Tagman for our agency customer. So our many agency customers are asking for the white label. So we are bringing this feature module in the Tagmat, and you can register your interest via visiting this particular web page. And actually, this is offer applicable to new and existing agency customers of the Tagmat. And this white label Tagmat is offered for the specific set of the agency customer. And in our next roadmap, we are coming with the tag monitoring and GTM audit, which is a schedule and run automatic checks on the existing tags in the Google Tag Manager to save time and effort. If you have any question, then please write on the hello@tagmat.app, and we are happy to give you answer at any time. Bye bye, and have a nice day.